Hi Moose Thingers, it's me, Cosmic Moose, and welcome to my channel. I have something quite interesting that I've had for a few days now, but I thought it was time to open it. So I have Far Cry Primal, the collector's edition, which is fancy and shiny, with the saber-toothed tiger skull because it's set in prehistoric times. I don't know what's going on with my voice, but let's open it. As you can see, I haven't touched the seal at all. Maybe I should have opened it. Okay. As you can see, I have a bit of a different background. So, I've done a bit of tidying in my room, so I can now record against my books and DVDs and things. So, here it is. Oh, that's cool. I like that. I like that a lot. It's always the little things that make me easily pleased. It's in here. Just gonna box to one side. First things first, the Easy Wenger phrasebook. One thing I love about Far Cry Primal is that they created the languages for the tribes in the game. So they don't speak English, they all speak an approximation of what they might have sounded like in the actual time period, which is, I think it's brilliant. You've got pages and pages and pages of phrases and words, which I think I'll have a look through later, because if I look through it now I won't stop and I'll go, just be hours of me go, Funagu? Ah, pesca. Pesca. Fish, by the way. So, another thing, important thing, a map of Oros, which is where it's set. It's set in Europe, which is quite nice. Nice, fancy big map. If you wonder why I keep looking down there, it's because that's where my laptop is. I've got a nice code for some bonus material. Aha! This is the soundtrack. Ooh! It's got 19 music soundtracks and 8 different audio speech tracks, which I probably can't see because I don't have autofocus on my camera. We have the fancy shiny steel book, which has the saber-toothed tiger with the dagger through its face, which is made from a jawbone, actually. Jawbone! And last but not least, you have the game. Far Cry Primal. Savage at heart. 10,000 years BC. Welcome to the Stone Age. From prey become predator and conquer the majestic land of Oros. I probably didn't pronounce it correctly. So yeah, that's brilliant. I love collector's editions, so I will keep getting them. And they come in fancy boxes. I love that. It's brilliant. So yeah, you have the game, the soundtrack, some bonus stuff, the map, the phrase book, and the Steelbook, which is actually upside down. I'm just really impressed with it actually, because it wasn't much it wasn't much more than the normal edition, and to get this cool stuff in it, brilliant. Do I think it's worth it? Definitely. Only because the box is rah. Yes, I'm easily amused, and I like being easily amused. So anyway, I don't know where you can get it, but I got mine from the game website, which is game.co.uk. No affiliation. And I hope you enjoyed me having a look. I had a good time looking through this, and I will definitely check out the phrasebook. So, until next time, bye guys!